Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing. If you have Tesla car and you traveling lovers, so this video is very important for you. I'm purchasing one of the interesting accessories, and that accessory's name is a Tesla Mattresses plus bed seat. In this video, we will see unboxing as well as how to fix this mattresses in your Tesla car, and afterwards how you sleep in your car. Let's check it out. First of all, I will show you I'm purchasing this mattresses Havnby platform. This platform link is available on video description. This mattresses comes Air+Foam, Tesla Y and Juniper and 3 as well. I purchasing extra bed sheet as well for to fix the mattresses. We can fix the bed sheet as well. Apart from this mattresses, this platform are selling much more different types of accessories, different cars as well, like a Tesla SUV, pickup truck and different products. You should visit and check which accessories you love it. Accordingly, you should purchase. Now we will do unboxing. Let's check it out. The box is little bigger, so we change the location as well. Box is empty. How to install? Here is the instruction available. It's very easy to install. First of all, we receive sleeping belt as well, so you should sleep relax way. They are providing two of them. Now here is our product. One important point come here, product as well as the packaging is amazing. It's very compact. Very compact, and exactly this bed sheet look like this. It's very compact as well. And one of the important point come here, no need to open anything. I just simply start. We need to just connect this one in your car, and after that you can fill out the year here. It's easy. Now we can go outside in the car and let how to fix the beds. For fixing this mattresses, we need to sleep both passenger seat backside. So I am sleeping both seats, and then after we insert the mattresses in your car. This is our bed. Not you can call this is our bed. It's really easy to open as well. The compact. Now they are providing, this is the extension. Using this one you can fill out the ear. One of the important point, this is the extra connector they are providing, but for me not required because of this cable is enough. Inflate means put at the ear and deflate means remove the ear. So look at this, fast you can fill out the ear. The motor noise is coming here, and look at this, all wrinkle can fresh after complete this year. I will show you each and every aspect. So look at this here, I can sleep like this. Perfectly two people can sleep very nicely for the couple, and that one is really nice. As my experience, you can sleep like this. The main idea of this bed, you can sleep position, and then if you want exit, so you should exit from this line. I purchased the bed sheet as well from the same website. Link is available on video description. Perfect bed is ready. I can close this one. I closed as well. Now you can sleep. It's value for money if you're a solo traveler. So this is the amazing product. I should recommend everyone to purchase this mattresses and the bed sheet as well. That one is really nice. You can fill out the year using your power bank. As my personal opinion, this product is amazing for the using and solo traveler point of view. If you have Tesla Model Y, that one is a much more helpful because of this portion is upper side compared to the Model 3. If you have any question related on this product, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel and purchase this mattresses. Link is available on video description. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.